So now you have GitHub Desktop set up, you've logged into your GitHub account, but you don't have any repositories yet. So let's clone a repository from GitHub onto our computer. First, we need a repository on GitHub, specifically in your account. So this is my account. I have lots of repositories, but let me show you how to create a new one in case you don't have one. So I'm in the repositories tab here, click new, select an owner, me, give it a name, it's 2, it's public, it's good. You can make it private if you want. And I want to click the add a readme so that the repository has a file that will allow me to immediately clone it, create the repository. So now I have a repository, it has just one file, and I'd like to get this repository onto my computer. So I want to copy the URL, go to GitHub Desktop, go to File, Clone Repository. And you can see there's different ways that you could find your repositories. I'm using URL, that's the most general one. So just copy that there. And then it's asking you here, hey, where do you want this repository? I always have my repositories, my GitHub repositories in Document GitHub. That way I can always find them easily. So hit clone. And there we go. We can look at the history. We can see it has one initial commit. We can see it just has one file. I can right click on that, reveal in Finder. And here it shows me, here it is. I know, by the way, that it's in GitHub. I can click that, and you can see it's right here. There it is. There's that README. Okay, that's it.